everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time Design Team project. And I know this past week she had her release, and today I am doing a project which is from that release. And today I am using the pumpkin carriage add-ons. Everything from this, well, no, take that back. I'm not using the hat part. Everything else. And then I'm also using the jack-o'-lantern tag, the 2mm half-back pearls, strawberry flower dies plate, and I'm using a few of the small flowers. And the paper that I am using is Witchy Vibes 2026, and I'm using this color here. Okay, and here is my adorable little card. I thought I would try and recreate a Cinderella pumpkin. Let me know how well I did. I'm not sure, but I thought it turned out really cute. What I did do was I inked up the outer edges, and then I used like a teal color. I forgot the color that I used from Tim Holtz, and then I used the black soot. And then I also, on the back part of the paper, I added an iridescent spray, and I used glitter paper for all of it. And then, as you can tell, I added those little bitty small 2mm gems. And I think that's about it explaining how it looks. And then I also used the pumpkin topper instead of the witch's hat. But then I also put spinners on the wheels. I thought that was just adorable. But hopefully you can get the gist of that. And look at all that sparkle. It just glitters. And those wheels keep on spinning. I didn't finish the inside of the card, but I thought it turned out really cute. I did not put a sentiment on there, but maybe I will if I happen to use it for someone. But I thought it turned out really cute. Let me know how it looks to you. Leave it in the comments down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.